Chevrolet is expanding its presence in the market by introducing the 2024 Silverado HD ZR2 and ZR2 Bison. These trucks come with enhanced suspension, bold and robust aesthetics, and the Bison model was designed with the assistance of American Expedition Vehicles to offer a more rugged option. Chevrolet has revamped its 2024 HD truck lineup, featuring a significant upgrade to the interior design, newly introduced technology, and more safety features. The latest addition to the series, the Silverado HD ZR2 models, further improve upon the already updated trucks and are in line with the existing Colorado ZR2 and Silverado 1500 ZR2 models. These new models are exclusively available with the Silverado 2500 Crew Cab configuration, powered by a standard 6.6-liter gas V8 engine. While maintaining the work-ready abilities, the truck now have additional off-road drive modes to enhance their performance. While the ZR2 and ZR2 Bison share a resemblance to the regular Chevy Silverado HD, they have distinct design elements and functional enhancements that set them apart. Notably, the ZR2 models have a unique grille with black trim, large Chevy flow tie logo, and red tow hooks. The flow tie logo is a variation of the classic Chevy bow tie logo, which has a hollow design that allows for improved engine component airflow. Chevy has integrated mudguards into the wheel opening moldings of the ZR2 and ZR2 Bison models, and the truck have a 1.5-inch higher ride height than other Silverado HD variants. Both models are outfitted with 18-inch wheels, with the standard ZR2 boasting 35-inch Goodyear Wrangler Territory MT tires, integrated body side steps, a bed cargo box, and a power tailgate are standard features on both models. Additionally, Chevy's Multi-Flex tailgate is also an available option. For 2024, the Silverado HD has received interior upgrades that also extend to the new ZR2 and ZR2 Bison models. Standard features include black and grey leather upholstery, and Chevy has designed the interior materials with easy cleaning in mind. As part of the significant updates made to the HD truck line, the ZR2 models come with a new center console that has a wireless smartphone charging pad option. Additionally, the cup holders have been enlarged, and backseat passengers now have their climate vents and controls. Chevy has also added storage options such as a hidden compartment, 2 glove boxes, and a sunglass holder located behind the infotainment display. The ZR2 and ZR2 Bison offer a 12.3-inch configurable digital gauge cluster and a 13.4-inch infotainment touchscreen. The displays have been oriented towards the driver. Although most controls are integrated into the touchscreen, some physical controls remain. Wireless phone charging is available, and buyers can opt for a 15-inch head-up display that includes an off-road inclinometer. Chevy offers 2 powertrain options for the 2024 Silverado HD, ZR2 and ZR2 Bison, starting with the standard 6.6-liter gas V8, generating 401 horsepower and 464 pound-feet of torque. Alternatively, buyers can also opt for the available 6.6-liter Duramax turbo diesel V8, which produces 470 horsepower and a whopping 975 pound-feet of torque. Both engines come paired with a new Allison 10-speed automatic transmission, and the ZR2s come equipped with 4-wheel drive. The regular ZR2 comes with extensive underbody skid plates, Multimatic DSSV dampers, a rear electronic-looking differential, and stronger front control arms. Chevy says the race-inspired dampers provide unlimited turning variability to control damping, delivering more precise performance and better control in all situations. On the other hand, the ZR2 Bison features a unique bumper configuration for improved approach and departure angles, winch mounting points, and additional underbody protection. Both models have a new off-road driving mode that adjusts the braking traction control, throttle, and transmission shift points to offer better traction on rough terrain. Furthermore, the truck retains its heavy-duty capabilities, including a payload rating of 3,395 pounds. Towing reaches up to 18,500 pounds with the diesel engine, and Chevy provides advanced trailering tech such as a blind spot warning system that covers both the truck and trailer.